MPLS network and its components. Upon completing this lecture, you will be able to understand the architecture of the MPLS network, describe different types of MPLS routers, understand LSPs and how they are created, describe LDP and know how it works. What is MPLS? MPLS is multi-protocol label switching, consists of a number of routers connected to each other. They perform traffic forwarding based on MPLS label, regardless of the type of traffic being received from the customer interface. So if we have two routers, R1 and R2, connected in the MPLS network, the traffic will be sent now labeled with an MPLS label. So this is a traffic that is received from the customer. It will be labeled or tagged with an MPLS label. And based on this label, R2 will check now the label received, and based on that, will take the decision to go to an outside interface and also will label the traffic with an MPLS label. So based on that, routers forward traffic to specific interfaces based on MPLS label, not based on the traffic itself. This is the meaning and the definition of MPLS router. The MPLS router will forward the traffic based on label and perform label switching. As explained here, R2 receives label and sends the traffic tagged with another label.